Hey boo-boos, it's your girl Nisa, and today I'm going to be using my favorite REVOLVE products to create my go-to night out fall spooky sexy vibes. So if you want to see what I create, then keep on watching. Now before I turn into a cutie, I gotta start with Embryolisse moisturizer. It's the best moisturizer before you do your makeup. It just hydrates your skin, perfect, gets it ready and primed for the makeup. So boom shakalaka. Now I really do believe that the key to like a flawless makeup look is skincare. Right before you do your makeup, make sure your skin is moisturized and looking right. I really like to pat it into the skin. I mean, we're already looking amazing. Okay, we're done, you guys. Bye. Next, I'm gonna be using the Kosas Tinted Face Oil. Ooh, my absolute and my top favorite foundations to use. It's very lightweight. It's definitely not a full beat foundation. It's definitely a light coverage, and I really like that because I really love to show the skin. Okay, let's just take a moment at the skin. It looks so hydrated from this tinted face oil from Kosas. Oh, I just had 2 gallons of water, baby. Time to warm up the face with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush bronzer. This is delicious. I haven't really been a fan of powdered bronzers, but this one hits. Now that we have the glow of a goddess, I go on with the Kosas concealer. I use the color 6.5. I usually do like kind of a big dot right here in the corner, and I bring it up here. With this concealer, I prefer to blend it in with my fingers. I mean, with honestly any concealer, I like to use my fingers. I just feel like the warmth of your skin, of your fingers, really just blends it in, and it looks very skin-like. Now that I'm done with my skin, I love to set it with the Kosas setting powder. I love this powder because as much as I love this dewy look, I do just like to set it, you know, in certain places where I don't want to shine as much. And this is also just very lightweight, and I don't really like setting powders where I'm gonna literally look like a mannequin. I still want to look as natural as possible. Oh my god, look at the skin already. I'm telling you, I love Kosas products. And the setting is like, it's not overdoing it. It still took away some of the shine that I didn't want, but I still look healthy. The skin is still glowing. Now for the fun part, we're gonna be using the black creamy long lasting eyeliner from 100% Pure. I'm just gonna create like a small wing. I'm also going to put it in my waterline, bringing it back to high school days, high school looks. And here's another trick, and if you're bold, this part still scares me a little bit, but I do like to go underneath the eye. Spooky season. So next, you can use any little small blending brush, and just kind of blend that liner up and out. It might get a little messy, but that's okay. It's already forming. And just, you know, just keep blending. If you need, add more liner if you need to, if you want it darker. But just follow what you drew and just blend it up and out. Just so we kind of get like a smoky liner look. Pretty much blended it to how I want. I'm gonna go into this Viseart eyeshadow palette. It has these gorgeous fall vibe colors. Look at that. And I'm gonna go into this like dark brown, chocolatey brown, and I'm just gonna kind of go over this, over the liner that I did, just to blend it out even more, give it some dimension, some layers, because ogres have layers. Also, I think I am gonna go down here as well, blend it out even more. I'm gonna add in this dark brown again, and also bring that into my crease. Blend that out really well. Blending is the key, my love. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. It's just kind of like an effortless, spooky look that I've been loving these days when I step out of town. The next product, my favorite mascara, Benefit Roller Lash. #1 mascara. I don't care. I don't care, and you need to start using it too. I mean, that's crazy. From this side to that side. Now for blush, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using the color Latte, mommy. And I'm just gonna go directly onto the skin, on the apples of my cheeks. Smile a little bit. And I'm just gonna use my fingers actually to blend it in. I really like this blush. It's actually my first time trying it out, but I love cream blushes. It just, ooh, it really looks so soft and natural on the skin. Now, I'm a bushy brow girl, so I don't really put any really products in my eyebrows unless it's like a clear brow gel. So I'm gonna go in with the Kosas Airbrush. It's their clear eyebrow gel. And I'm just going to fluff up my brows. Okay, brows. We are coming together for an iconic lip duo. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Foxy Brown, and I'm gonna use the Lime Crime Lip Blaze in the color Rosemary. So I'm just gonna line my lips. And with the lip blaze, I don't like to put too much. So just kinda put a little bit in there, and then use your finger blend it out. Now I'm gonna add in the Lime Crime Sun Kissed highlighter stick. I'm also just gonna use a little bit on my finger and just apply it right up here. Not too much. I don't want to put too much, but just enough to where I get a little bit more light into my face. Excuse me, I'm gonna go cast a spell. Thank you so much for watching. And if you loved any of the products that I used and you want to try them, all the products are going to be in the description. Do not forget to subscribe to REVOLVE's channel, and of course, follow me on Instagram, Pizza Nisa, if you want a little bit more of me.